What InDesign object styles work best for EPUB export? Imagine turning your beautifully designed InDesign project into a digital book that looks great on any device. That's where EPUB export comes in. But to make sure your content stays clean, accessible, and easy to read, you need to choose the right object styles. Let's explore what works best. First, remember that object styles in InDesign are mainly for frames and containers, not for the text itself. When preparing for EPUB, apply object styles to text frames that hold your paragraphs. This way, the exported HTML wraps your content in meaningful containers like divs, which can be styled easily with CSS. Next, you want your object styles to map to semantic HTML tags. InDesign allows you to assign export tags to object styles through the Edit All Export Tags feature. For example, you can set a style to export as a div, section, or aside. Using these tags makes your EPUB more accessible and easier to navigate on e-readers or with assistive tools. It's also important to preserve the appearance of your content without rasterizing text. When you export, check the Object Export options under the EPUB and HTML tab. For reflowable EPUBs, avoid rasterizing text frames because that turns text into images, which can't be resized or read aloud. Instead, keep the live text so users can adjust font size and style. Complex effects like drop shadows or gradients often don't translate well to EPUB. Readers have limited support for such styles. Stick to simple fills, strokes, and basic positioning in your object styles to ensure your design remains consistent across devices. Consistency is key. Use clear naming conventions for your object styles and coordinate them with your paragraph and character styles. This helps InDesign generate cleaner code during export, making your EPUB easier to update and maintain later. Remember that object styles work hand in hand with paragraph styles. While object styles control the container, paragraph styles define the actual text structure. During export, EPUB can split content into separate HTML files based on paragraph style tags, which improves navigation and keeps file sizes manageable. To put this into practice, create object styles for text frames you want to export as specific HTML elements. Use the Edit All Export tags to assign tags like div or section. When exporting, make sure Ignore Object Export Settings is unchecked so your mappings are respected. Avoid rasterizing text unless you're working on a fixed layout EPUB. Finally, always test your exported EPUB on multiple devices. Check that styles look right, text remains selectable, and accessibility features work properly. By focusing on object styles that define clean, semantic containers and avoiding unnecessary effects, you'll produce EPUB files that are both beautiful and functional. This approach makes digital publishing smoother and helps you master InDesign's EPUB export features with confidence.